every YouTube channel has a number. When I say every YouTube channel has a number, what I mean is that every YouTube channel has a specific amount of video that they will post, or rather amount of video that they will post before their channel will totally blow up. And you can never tell what your number is on your channel. Some people, their channel, they might post just 50 videos, then they will blow up. Some people, 100 video, 150 video, then they will blow up. You can never tell what your number is going to be before your channel is going to blow up. So that's why it's always important that you never give up when it comes to YouTube. Always keep posting. Always keep uploading videos, like on a daily or on a weekly. Always keep uploading content here on YouTube, because you can never tell when your video is going to blow up. And also another thing is that when it comes to like a video blowing up, if you plan it correctly, once one video blow up on your channel, a lot of videos will also blow up along with it. That's if you plan it correctly. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about 4 important things that you should be doing on all your videos when you're uploading, so that at least once one video is to blow up at any time, the rest video will also blow up along with it. So we're going to be talking about 4 important things that you should be doing on all your videos to make sure that once one video blow up, every other video will blow up with it as well. So make sure to apply everything that I'm going to mention on this video on your YouTube channel. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. The first thing to apply to all your video is end screen, especially the subscribe button. Always make sure to apply that on your YouTube videos, like all your videos that you're uploading. If you have to observe right now, you see that I always apply theory end screen. Like end screen video, I always apply theory, and then I apply a subscribe button at the end of all my videos that I have ever posted on my YouTube channel. And the reason why this is very, very important is because if any video is to blow up on your channel, people, they will be able to see 3 other videos at the end of your video because of that end screen. And also they will be able to see your subscribe button at the end of it. So it's going to be leading to a lot of people subscribing to your channel because they are seeing it at the end of your video. And also it's going to lead to a lot of people like watching your other videos because they are always seeing 3 other videos at the end of your video. So this way, whenever a video blow up, it's always going to be beneficial to your other videos, because you are always adding other videos with end screen at the end of your video and a subscribe button. So make sure to apply that on your channel. The second thing to do on all your video is to have a section at the end of the video where you talk about a problem and then you suggest one of your video to fix that problem. So what I actually mean, I'm going to show you guys what I mean, but let me describe it a little bit. So we are just going to state a problem, like you state a problem and then you suggest one of your own video that is in your channel as the solution to that problem, so that people will watch it at the end of your video. So just check it out and see how it's like. If you would like to learn about SEO, SEO means search engine optimization. And once you learn on how to use SEO to optimize your videos, you are going to be getting much more views because you become able to optimize your videos for search better. So if you would like to learn on how to do this, or rather how this works, then watch this video right now to learn more about SEO. I'm going to suggest the video at the end of this video so you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and do remember to smash that subscribe button. As you can see, I stated a problem, and then after I stated the problem, I offered one of my video as a solution, and then I told my viewers that that video is going to be at the end. And also at the end of the video, I made sure that the video was there at the top, so they will see it with 2 other options that they can also watch. So this is very, very important, because if you are to be doing this on all your videos, whenever any video is to blow up, that video that you are suggesting, some people might be interested in it because you are giving a problem and you are stating a solution. So if a video is to blow up, a lot of people might actually be interested in that video and they will go and watch it. So that way you're going to be moving traffic from the video that is blowing up to another video that is not blowing up. And apart from that you even suggested, you see that there are other 2 options there. So even if they are not interested in that video that you actually stated as the solution to the problem that you mentioned, they might be interested in the other 2 videos there that is below. So also make sure that you are doing that in your channel, because that is going to be very, very beneficial, and it's going to be moving views from your video that is blowing up to your other videos that is not blowing up. The third thing that you should always do on all your videos is that when you're uploading, always make sure that you put all your videos into their different playlists. Like each video should always have a playlist. Like if it's a tutorial video should have their playlist. If it's YouTube tips, that one should have their playlist. If it's lifestyle, that one should have their playlist. This is very, very important, because some people, they don't just watch singular videos. Some people, they actually go to your playlist and watch them. So imagine that, let me say one of your videos is even blowing up now. When someone is watching that video, sometimes they might even be seeing the playlist at the side. So you can see like someone is watching a video that is blowing up, and then the other videos are under that playlist will also be showing at the side most times, so they can also be watching that, which means traffic will be moving from the video that is blowing up to the other video that is in the same playlist that that video is in. So that's very, very important, because that will enable people to be able to like bench watch your videos. So that way they won't just come to your channel and just watch one video and leave. They will be able to watch a lot of video and bench watch your video, thereby giving views to all your videos on your channel. So make sure to apply that on your videos on your channel. The fourth thing that you should always do on all your videos when you're uploading is that on the description section, make sure that you are adding links to your other video there in the description. That's very, very important. And if you want to add the links, make sure you're adding it this way, like as you can see right now on your screen, the way I'm adding it on mine. Make sure you are doing it like this, because the reason why it's important is because, let me say a video is blowing up now, for example. Some people, they might check the description, because some people do check description, and they might just see a video there that will spark their interest, and before you know it, they will go and watch that video. So that way, once a video is to blow up, people are to check your description. It's going to be moving traffic from that video that is blowing up to your other videos that are in your description. So imagine that you are doing this on all your videos, or like you are putting and linking videos in your description. So it's going to be moving traffic from any video that is doing well to your other videos that might not be doing well on your channel. So this is a perfect way to also move traffic from one video to another. So make sure to be applying that on your channel. Do make sure to apply all the 4 things that are actually just listed on this video on your channel, because although we can't tell when our video is going to blow up, and we can't tell when our channel is going to blow up, but the one thing that we can do is to plan it ahead. Like, you should always make sure that you are planning everything ahead, so that if one video is to blow up, it's going to affect your other videos positively. So that's the only thing that you can actually do. So make sure that you are using all these 4 methods, or rather these 4 tricks that are listed on this video, and doing it on all your videos, so that if any video is to blow up, it's going to affect your other videos positively. If you like to learn on how to make YouTube recommend your videos more to a lot of people, thereby leading to more views for your videos whenever you upload, then watch this video right now to learn on how to do that. I'm going to suggest the video at the end of this video so you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video. And please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. And also at the end of this video, you might see some of my similar videos, or you might see my playlist. So you can, watch that to learn more from my channel, because, we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.